Bubba, what are you doing today?
Putting new synchros in the Evo Trans carbon lined.
So I guess I'm taking on transmission. Or helping.
Apparently these things really, really suck.
So why'd you buy them?
They're cheap.
So you said first and second?
Yeah. Well, the synchro goes on either side of the gear. First and second gear is a triple synchro. Hence the 3 synchros. Synchro rings. And then fourth gear is a single synchro.
So what, is it better to have more synchros and lower gears?
I mean, they're stronger. They'll hold up to more
Oh, so you take off in the first
banging
gear.
gears. But I'm just holding it. This is just to hold me over till after the track day on the 30th. And then I'm going to go face plated. And then when I blow up the stock transmission gears, then we're going to go dog box.
Fun! At least the garage is closed. It's pretty cold outside. It's only like 60 degrees outside, but to me it's fucking freezing.
60 degrees, Vegas life.
Yep. But we're used to fucking 110 degree weather. Yeah. So as you can tell, I don't have any all-wheel drive cars. So he was saying there's 3 different things. This is a transmission, the transfer case, and the active differential motor, something like that. Those 3 take different fluids. So what he's gonna try to do is save the oils that's already in there, or at least for the transmission, because it's like brand new. So new for me. And then fuck, I haven't fucking really been over here, so I might as well puppy. So that should be fun. I guess we're just gonna drop it for tonight, and then tomorrow we'll see what's up. Hey dog. Guy. No. I bought the goods. What's up, man? Say hi to YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Huh?
Says you got the cash?
I own a Harbor Freight boom boom.
You don't know what that's from?
No.
You got the goods? You got the cash?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the cash. What are the goods? Close by.
What?
You know what that's from?
Yeah.
You know
I
what that's
don't.
from? You don't know what that's from?
No.
It's from Scarface.
Really?
I watched Scarface like 10 years ago, and I watched like a third of it. Fucking loser.
Damn, really?
So I brought some
I'm trying
company.
To save up to buy a house.
Oh, okay.
What's up, dude?
What's up, girl?
That's awesome, dude.
Yeah. Start recording so I don't get fucking
You guys
copyrighted.
choose the lot. We didn't choose the lot yet because we're still
Mike,
trying to figure out where
So
we'll
what's your new toy, dude?
For sure.
I can't even fucking see it over here because it's too
But
dark.
I don't know
man.
where yet.
Gotcha.
We can
A
get
wagon too? What year is it?
like
It's
a,
a
you know,
05
1800, 2000
Super
foot
Forester XT.
townhouse.
With a oh
Super
6.
cheap.
Oh, 6 engine?
You know,
Yeah. 06 STI.
upgraded everything. We got a
Automatic?
basic house.
Forester
Yeah,
automatic transmission.
Yeah. You got your own land.
With the
Hey!
So there's the pros
I'm trying to not get copyrighted right now.
It's like you walk into the townhouse, you're like,
any song that plays on this YouTube channel, we do not own the rights. It is.
Do you have any gear?
No.
It just seemed like it was.
Get this bitch out in there. What the fuck?
gotta get it out, dude.
Who's supposed to get in here? Money right here.
Because you're tall.
Get
fucker.
fucked.
Where's your jack stands?
I think they're behind. Left side, up top left.
I don't have those.
I sold him for that, Jack.
Let's see if there's any faucet.
And we'll be here when he goes to lower it.
Hell yeah, crush me, Sam. I have insurance.
Dude, same.
Oh, good push, whoever that was. Oh, there's nothing in it.
Richie said there's.
What are you doing, draining your catch can?
Catch can.
Huh?
You draining your catch
I
can?
was going to, but there's nothing in it. I just drained it.
Alright, lower it slowly.
Perfect.
Here, Mike. You be the camera guy. Whatever you want to do.
Camera guy. Did I keep my finger in front of the lens like this?
Nothing showing.
Wow, is this an iPhone?
29 original.
29,000
No wonder
original.
it
60 frames a second. What do you say?
No wonder why it looks like shit.
Oh, awesome. Thanks. That's really simple to edit, dude. Fuck you. Simplicity.
Such a dick, dude.
I'm gonna take down that video of your Evo.
Damn, that's fucked, man.
Both videos.
Heaven forbid you have a video of my Evo when it was at its
So,
slowest.
Bubba was telling me that you guys were watching my videos, and you saw the one while you were deployed.
Sound like 59. I was gonna say like 50,000. 59.
No, I was
Drill.
I was at Fort Irwin.
2012.
Dude, same difference.
So you're gonna get one? I was looking at. Good for you.
There's
I was
the
thinking
wallet
about buying
that
a
funds
Hellcat,
the
but
whole build.
Yep.
I was the Shelby GT350.
Where'd you put your?
I was looking at the
Found
Hellcats,
it.
the Chargers and Challengers, and then I was looking at GTRs.
Hey.
And I looked at the M4s, but the M4 is way too expensive.
Oh God, yeah, dude.
They're just way too fucking
I already lost
expensive.
up. Never mind.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm really no good at recording, but
Dude,
should I just stand here?
that's all you do. You get to fucking talk. You do whatever, dude. I'm a small YouTuber.
Sister wife, how y'all doing? You're so pretty in the mornings. You smell different when you're asleep, though.
He said, just throw one. Do you have anyone else?
What are you doing?
Do whatever as you please.
Okay. Just get to see close up above and get all awkward.
See, if this thing was a Chevy, all it takes is 2 bolts to drop it, bitch.
All right, now start twerking on your car. You have the cakes for it. Come on now, sweetie. Jesus Christ. Half of Texas is in this man's ass.
Yeah. You're trying to lift it up because you think it's gonna be heavy, and it's like
Nothing.
not at all.
So let me get a good friend and put your 19 back where it belongs.
At least that one's over age, you know what I'm saying?
17. Where's your good wrench?
Yeah, go ahead and tell Shanae to ask if she can take my car.
But the thing is I actually drive this Mustang, and I know you won't let Charlie drive that. Actually, only when he's drunk, so it's only been 3 times.
Yeah.
Women.
But one.
No, check the other side.
Do I need an extension?
You're so pretty.
Thank you.
No, thank you, Cletus Jr. Where's Mordecai? Mordecai, what are you doing over here?
Hey, it's pretty nice down here. It's not too much oil.
Hell yeah, brother!
So you want me to cut these gas lines to pull the transmission fluid out?
Yeah, just with the sharpest knife you have.
Yep.
Just cut them.
So it'll be like this.
And that one's a 17?
That might be
12?
bigger than that.
He's saving his manual. Yeah.
Is it on this side? Is it on this side? No.
No, it's not.
Wow, you don't have your cover for your fucking clutch, dude? What? Square. Nothing.
John Connery, bro.
Ready?
What's he doing on gas stands?
Looks like get under me. That's how I'm moving my head. Is it gonna shoot out that much?
Yes.
All right, let me see. Push in and
I
turn.
got a feeling this it should work. Famous last
So we're
words.
taping this in slow mo just in case it hits him in the
Oh, I'm
face.
trying to grab that.
Oh yeah, money shot.
All right.
Oh God.
Ready?
Oh, perfect trajectory.
Oh shit.
Mike, wanna grab this?
Oh, dude, that's overflowing. Oh,
Mike.
shit. Oh, no.
But everyone came up behind us. I got pushed up into his bunk. Obviously, the dude kind of like
You
woke
guys-
back up.
I'm sitting under the fucking.
And they all have long fucking nails in jail. Okay? They fucking have long nails. So he's like started
Never mind.
scratch my neck up.
What's up?
But other than that,
So I'm
hey,
sitting down in here like this with a jack stands like
I
this.
blocked all of his hits. So they're fucking slow as shit. But I just blocked his hits and.
How is it?
He got pretty fucked
That
up.
should be good.
He
A little of that and some extra, like lightly.
Yeah, he did. And you freeze your ass off.
Why don't you get like a rag or something?
He actually ended up ripping it, which is supposed to be impossible. So he ripped it.
That's what
and
meth
made
does,
it into,
dude.
like, a rope, and then put it around his neck and hung himself from like the only thing possible in the room, which is like some light fixture that has no hooks or anything on it. Because obviously it's a suicide watch room, so it's like there's no they're like, yeah, this room, no one's coming, no one's dying in this room.
No, dude. I bet you $20 and a pack of cigarettes I can.
And it's actually a 3-man post because it's like every 4 minutes you have to look for signs of life. Every 4 minutes.
Damn.
And dude fucking waited for an officer to walk by and hung himself and was like dead blue. It was unresponsive at county, and the guy rushed to the hospital. Ended up surviving. Tried to commit suicide at the hospital.
Good God.
Yeah, he keeps telling the sergeant, like, look, like, I'm just gonna keep trying to kill myself until I die. And it's crazy because we have to keep him alive, right? You know, and shit like that. So that's pretty crazy. You actually get to talk to people like that.
But
It's just like bum that is funny as fuck that comes in the show.
Good.
And
Does he do it on purpose just
Yeah.
to like
Well,
mute and shit?
No, he doesn't. He is,
Do I need to do something else?
It's so crazy because they're just so different, and it's just, oh man, it's just.
It's crazy someone being a fucking criminal and being a regular police. What is it again? What's the title of the place?
Clark County Detention Center.
Oh, it's a detention center.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
CCDC.
Well, good thing I never been there. Good food.
Oatmeal every
Great
day.
lodging.
Oatmeal and apples. You get fresh cut
An apple a day is as much caffeine as a cup of coffee.
Really?
Yep.
I never knew that.
No, I'm just fucking with you. I'm okay.
Is there oil on my back?
Are you just showing off?
No, I'm saying
And
it feels like there's oil all over my back.
there's like nothing.
Can I search for oil?
Oh, fuck you. Get out of here! Let me use my phone to get that bolt out.
Your phone?
You just gotta throw it at it?
Hey, can I throw rocks in your
Yeah. It's actually
your
recommended.
intercooler?
No, thank
It's recommended actually. 10 out of 11.
It's to get you that deep Subaru sound.
Yeah. 10 out of 11 doctors recommended.
Shit done. And business is booming.
Well, I went out of business a few months ago.
No, let me look at my Subaru next time.
I guess.
Here, you want to get that one out, Mike?
You know what? I gotta go home.
You know, do you know who that is? That Ronnie built dude?
Nope.
Another. Well, he's building the Evo 8 right now. It's a pretty healthy car. He builds all his own stuff. He works at a machine or like a shop that is dedicated to like Evos and shit. And Josh Yu, Asian YouTuber, that pretty much just records a bunch of other people's stuff.
That's what I do.
Pretty cool. So how can we do this the easiest way possible?
There isn't an easy way.
Yeah, I know, right? I'm gonna do.
Everything that
Let me
needs
get those off, and those are gonna be a freaking nightmare.
the Allen bolts for the tranny mount.
They're tough. They get tough. There's two more on the other side.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure there is. So just get them loose, not completely off.
Yeah.
Tranny mount's not fully aluminum, right?
Yeah, it is.
It is.
Solid. Sure.
How long are these bolts? Like 2.5 inches?
Like that.
Okay.
I'm gonna get this axle out. Get this axle out first.
You know what's funny is like I'm so scared of newer cars just because there's sensors for everything, but whenever I put your car's perspective, it's not that. You make it seem simple.
Yeah. I think it's just after you've done
Taking your
so much with it already
yeah.
that it just becomes simpler, even though it's just as difficult every time. Just know how to do it.
Like you took your fucking whole head apart for yourself. It only took, I don't know, what, 2 hours?
Yeah, about
Something
2
like that.
hours.
But the thing is with me, I've never had an all-wheel drive vehicle. Damn, dude, that triple disc is small?
It's a twin.
It's a twin? Oh, sorry, I thought you were up there.
Yeah, I don't make triple disc power yet.
That's crazy. What color was it? Orange? Like anodized orange?
Yeah.
Cool, so that's it for day 2. Day 3, we'll crack it open, so. Yep. I guess.
Now it's time to go drink some green beers.
Yeah. Is St. Patrick's Day today?
Yes, sir.
So day 3. On a beautiful Sunday, midday. I got a tripod, so
My dad's.
looks all cool and stuff now. Mike came over to watch this, I think. It's on the same spot from last night.
Hmm?
What's your opinion?
On what?
Everything. Life, fast cars, money, drugs, sex.
Drugs and sex. That's my opinion.
So what's next, Bubba? Break it apart. Throw bolts across the wall, so you have to go buy new ones. A Mitsubishi.
We could all hop in the Fozzie and go get more monsters.
I have like
And then you went yesterday.
20 in my refrigerator.
I don't.
Go get one.
This is nice. I like this.
You're a fucking liar.
Time to crack the case, and we're gonna take the bell housing portion of the case, even though it's not a bell housing, over to my buddy's house to get a press, or to press out the gear set and replace the sink ropes. So,
Rip her up.
I don't remember what. Get this one. Oop, the hell. Owie!
Oh, I thought you lost your balance.
Oh, I smashed the shit out of my finger. Oh my god.
Did you start taking this plate off?
Yeah, I'll get there. Fuck my ass, that hurt so bad.
Don't threaten me with a good time.
Look. Okay. Oh shit.
Everything in my soul says 10.
Hey, that's what I picked. Yeah, you might want to just take all that off.
How many 10 mils do you have in your garage?
In my garage?
10 millimeters.
At least 8. 8 sockets and probably 5 or 6 wrenches. I got one in the Scooby right now.
Are you serious? But I know how you are with your tools. You don't lose those, huh?
Fuck no. Get cleaned every time. Put them all back nice and neat. Don't lose shit.
Yeah, I like throwing my shit across my yard. And I'm like, is that the size?
That's why I'm not letting you borrow my tools.
Hey, I don't blame you. I wouldn't let myself borrow my tools. I mean, through your tools, I'll clean them with my mouth, knowing that your hands touch them.
When do you want to have this back together by?
2 weeks?
Well, Justin can take it with him tomorrow and get it sandblasted.
What?
The casing.
Oh,
And all the paint.
What? I just heard you mumbling.
Paint it right away and do it.
Oh, just. That would look kind of well, not the red, white, blue. But
Look right here. You can spray all this white with the red. Like the tip.
I'd probably just
You could be like Clitorius McFarticus.
Alright, spring puppets. 19s.
Hence the white shirt. Knowing I wasn't gonna get on the ground today.